You know, you can make at least 30 cedis daily selling data bundles to people. Majority of the people uses smartphone, or everybody. I mean, like even right now you are watching this video, you are using a smartphone or your desktop to watch this video, which means you have internet access. And to get access to the internet, you need data bundle, which means you have data bundle on your phone right now. You are watching this video, yes, which means if you become a data selling agent, or if you become a data bundle vendor, you can make quite amount of money for yourself. And it doesn't require any knowledge before you can start this data bundle business. It's just simple. You just need to sign up on the platform, register as agent or vendor, then you can purchase the data bundle from there at lower prices and sell to your friends or your customers at your preferred price. Like, let me show you a critical example. See, this is the price on the site. I will show you. This is the price on the site. 1 gig is 4 cedis. You see, this is the price on the site. I just want to highlight it for you. This is the price on the site. You see, you are going to buy them at this price, then you can sell them at your preferred price to your customers. 1 GB is 4 cedis, 80 pesos on the site. It's a non-expiry. It's like the MTN *138. It's non-expiry, which means if you don't use it, it will not expire. So to your friends at 7 cedis, 6 cedis, or anything above 6 cedis going, then you can make profit of 3 cedis or 2 cedis, just like that, without any inventory. Maybe you have seen some flyers of people posting about data bundle business. There is the same site that you are using to make the business, or make that kind of data bundle business, and you too can do same. So I want to show you some of the price lists we mostly use. You see, you can buy at 1 GB for 4 cedis, 80 pesos, then you can sell at this is the selling price we mostly use. We sell them for 7 cedis for 1 GB, which means I will make profit of 2 cedis, 20 pesos for just 1 GB, and 2 GB is 13 cedis. The price here is 9 cedis, 50 pesos. So you can it's not compulsory for you to sell at 7 cedis. You can even sell at 8 cedis. That's your preferred price. So when you become an agent, you can sell them at your preferred price and make the extra profit for yourself without buying anything or any inventory. Just your smartphone and access to the information. You can just buy data bundles and sell them to your customers and make profit. This is very simple. You can just start within the day. It doesn't require you to learn something for like 1 month. Just one day, I will show you how to do everything in a video tutorial form. So it's not something difficult, and I've prepared everything. I have like 5 different sites that I will show you how to, and I will also guide you on how to get access to this site. And I'll also design a flyer for you. Maybe if you want to sell them, if you want to become an agent and you want to sell them, I will design a free flyer for you, and the cost is just 50 cedis. No hidden charges, no fee for agent fee. Of the site, you need to pay extra 50 cedis before you can become an agent. But with the site I will show you, you don't need to pay anything. Just sign up and you'll be granted access to the cheap offers, then you can sell them. So everything is just 50 cedis plus the 50 cedis plus the flyer and everything, just 50 cedis. You don't need to pay any extra money. So interested in getting access to this information, you can just tap on the learn more button to make a payment of just 50 cedis. Then after that, you'll be directed straight to my DM, and I will show you how to get started. I also add you to a support group whereby I will teach you a bit on how to make extra money online with just your smartphones.